Meaning of Edmonton.
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 Edmonton is a city in the province of Alberta, Canada. The origin of the name is attributed to Fort Edmonton, a trading post of the Hudson's Bay Company.
The post was named after the town of Edmonton, London, in England.
Edmonton is known for its parks, such as the North Saskatchewan River Valley Parks System. It is also home to many festivals and events throughout the year, including the Edmonton Folk Music Festival and the Edmonton International Fringe Theatre Festival.
Overall, Edmonton is a vibrant and lively city with a rich history and culture.